Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to share eye care hospital services and facilities brochure with patients on WhatsApp automatically. Right. So the idea here is that you are running a eye care clinic or an eye care hospital and you have created a website for that hospital. And in that website you have created an inquiry form with the help of Elementor form application. So any visitor who is visiting your website want to inquire more about your services and facilities, he is going to fill that form. And whenever a new form submission you get, you want to send him or her the facilities brochure of your eye care hospital or clinic on his or her WhatsApp account, right? Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that as and when you get a new form submission in an inquiry form created with the help of Elementor form, you are going to manually sort out the details of the person who have filled that form, then come to WhatsApp and manually compile a message for that person and attach your brochure with it and send to him or her on WhatsApp. But if you are receiving hundreds of inquiries on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy. So we have a better way. What if I tell you that as and when you get a new form submission of inquiry here in an Elementor form, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled that form along with your brochure of your eye care hospital. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new form submission you get, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered along with the hospital's brochure to the person who have filled that inquiry form, right? And the best part of making this automation here is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between Elementor form and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my website that I have created for this iLife hospital. You can see, and here we have a form attached with it with the created with the help of Elementor application. So this is the Elementor form here, and this is a kind of inquiry form, and whenever someone fills this form, we are going to send him or her the hospital brochure on the WhatsApp account here, right? So I'll show you, I'll fill this form on the behalf of any visitor who have visited our website and fill the details here and click here on send brochure on my WhatsApp button, and we will see if he receives here the hospital brochure in the WhatsApp account or not. So let me fill this form here. So I'm filling the details with the name Harsha Tara Yadav and the email and the phone number. Right, now I'm going to click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So you can see the form was sent successfully and we have received a new message here in WhatsApp. Let's check the WhatsApp's message, and the message is this. You can see it is saying, hello Harsha Tara Yadav, thank you for showing your interest in iLife Hospital. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure. Okay, and this is the link of the brochure we have. So let me show you the brochure also. So this is a kind of brochure we are going to send to the person who have filled our form. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this kind of message here without any manual compilation of any message or any manually attachment of this drives link or the brochure's link, just by filling this form, this Elementor form that is present on our website page. So guys, now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or integration between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll fill the form again and capture the data of the form submission from Elementor Forms to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 says send the brochure on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally we are going to send the brochure of our iCare hospital on the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled this form and the data of whom we have captured here. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. So first of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So you have to open your internet browser first and type here PABBLY, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already done this, so I am clicking on sign in directly. So from this all apps section of Pabbly, come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, right? So to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. Okay, so to create a workflow, click here on this blue button, create workflow button like this. And here you have to enter a relevant name for your workflow. So let me fill the name. So I have entered the name as iHospital brochure from Elementor Forms to WhatsApp. Now click on create here. And as a workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. Okay. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission in Elementor form, and the action would be to send the iHospital brochure to the person who have filled the Elementor form on WhatsApp, right? So first of all, click on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Elementor, this one. And in this trigger event, select this new form submission option and it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So by using this URL, we are going to connect our form with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you just have to copy this URL from here by clicking on copy, and you have to go to your website page. So this is our website page. So here I'm going to click here on edit with Elementor option, click on it. Okay, now the editor of Elementor is opened up. So scroll down here and reach your form, click on your form here, right? So when you click on your form, this at this side, left hand side, you will see this content option. Okay, so scroll down here and you will find this actions after submit button. So click on, and this field, add action field, will open up. And in this add action field, search for webhook, this one. Okay, after this webhook button will appear. So click on it and you will find this webhook URL field here. So here you have to paste the URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste the URL here in this webhook URL field like this. Okay, then click on update button, this one. So now our website page is updated. Now just click here. Okay, now the website page is updated and we have added the webhook, and you can see in Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for the webhook's response. So now it is time for our second step, which is to bring the data from the Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect. So we are going to fill the form again and capture the data. So I'm going to click here on view page. So our page is here. Now I'm going to scroll down and fill the form again with the different name. So I'm putting the name as Sayang Jain, email ID and the phone number, right? And clicking on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So the form was sent successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured the data. So you can see the same data is captured here, Sayang Jain and all these information that we have filled. Okay, so our two steps are completed. First is to connect the Elementor and then to collect the data from Elementor to here in Pabbly Connect. So now it is time for our next step. So let me show you the step. So our third and the final step is send the brochure on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so now we are going to send the iHospital brochure to the person who have filled this Elementor form and the data of whom we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on the WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window now, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360, this one, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay, now you guys are wondering why we are using 360 dialog application. So actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API, right? So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay, so after selecting the applications, click on this action event and select send template message option. Then click on connect here. And from this window, if you are making the connection for the first time, click on add new connection. Or if you have made the connection with 360 dialog before in a different workflow, you can select this existing connection option also. So let me first show you how to make the connection for the first time. So I'm clicking here on add new connection and it is asking for the API key and the domain. Okay, so to find these things, you have to go to your 360 dialog account and move to WhatsApp page to generate a API key. So let me show you my 360 dialog account. So this is it. And you can also set up your own 360 dialog account, and to do that I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices. Here I'm going to click on this WhatsApp account and this is a page that is opening up, and here you can see a button showing generate API key. So by clicking on this key or this button, you can generate your own API key. So after generating the key, copy that key and move to Pabbly Connect and paste the key here, right? After pasting the key, you have to paste the domain here and you will get the domain while generating the API key. So that domain will look like this. Okay, so generally the domain is this only, so you can paste this same link here, or you can paste the link that you have that you get while generating the API key. So after copy pasting these two things, you have to click on save and your connection will be made. Here, as I have already told you, the process of generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you generate a API key for yourself, you can use the same key to make the connections with Pabbly Connect afterwards also. Okay, so I have already generated a key for myself and I have already made a connection before in a different workflow. So I am going to choose here existing connection option and I have to click on save now and my connection will be made. So you can see it has started showing connected. That means we are connected with 360 dialog. Now it is asking for the template. So what are these templates? Let me show you in my 360 account. So here I am clicking on manage templates button. And you can see these are the templates I have in 360 dialog. Let me show you one. So this is one typical template you can see. So what are these? So templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp, right? So to avoid spamming, you have to create these message templates first here in 360 dialog, and afterwards you can use that to send messages. So to create a template, you just have to click here on add template button. And here you can put the name of your template. From these categories, you can select the category of your template. And you can also select the language in which you want to send the message. And you can select the the template type from here, right? And in this body field, you have to type the main message of that you want to send, okay? So after filling these details, you have to click here on preview and submit button and your template gets submitted. So once you get your template submitted, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. Okay, so the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it takes only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours to get a template approved. So once your templates got approved, you can use them to send messages. Okay, so in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use in this template field, right? So when I click here, you will see it will show up the list of all the approved templates I have in 360 Dialog. So the template we are using is this one, Sand Brochure Final template. So I'm going to map this template here. So after selecting your template, this namespace field get automatically filled up, and the language code also, because we have the templates in only one language, that is English. So EN is the code for English language. Now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter the number of the person who have filled your Elementor form. Okay, so you'll find the data of that person here in this first step. Okay, so you just have to map the number of the person from this field. So just click on this field and click on Elementors, and you'll find the number here. So just map it from here only. So you have to put the number in this specific format. So we have 91 added here, but not this plus sign. So add the plus sign also. Okay. After this, it will ask for these body fields 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are these fields? Let me show you in my 360 account. So this is my 360 account, and the template we are using is this Sand Brochure Final. So let me open this. And here in this message template, you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and double curly braces. So these are the body fields of the message. Okay, so body fields are nothing but the variables of the message template. So as you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have filled the form. So in with every new message, this name is going to change. Then thank you for showing your interest in. So here we can put the name of the business or the page, right, or the website. So that can change also if you have many businesses or whatever. Okay, so and here we are going to put the name of the service. So if you have many services, that can also change, right? So these are the variable things that needs to change with every new message. And to get these body fields automatically filled with every new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect by these fields. Okay, so in the first body field, we are going to map the name of the person. So you just have to click here, click on Elementor, and map the name from here only. Like this, you can also map all other body fields. As you can see in the body field 4, here we are going to map the link of the brochure that we want to send. So let me fill the link. So you can see I have this brochure in my drive. Okay, this is the hospital's brochure. So here I'm going to click on this icon and click on share. So I'll get a link here. You can see get link option, and here is the copy link button. So I'm going to click on it and the link is copied. Now I'm going to paste this link in this fourth body field. All right. Now let me fill all other body fields. So I have filled the required body fields here like this. And now when I click here on save and send test request, this data that we have filled will be sent as a new message on this WhatsApp account. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp account of the person which we have mapped here, that is Sayang Jain. Okay, so let me click here, and you will see it started showing this type of response, and we have received a new message in the WhatsApp account. Let's check. And the message is this. It is saying, hello Sayang Jain, thank you for showing your interest in iLife Hospital. One of our team members will contact you shortly, and meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached, and you will find all the services which we offer in our eye care facility. So you can see in the place of the body fields, the data is automatically filled up and the link is also attached. So this is the link. Let me open this also. So in this link, you can see we have the brochure that we have attached. So this is how it is going to be done. So our connection is working properly here. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected the application as Elementor. Okay. Then we connected the Elementor form with the help of this URL called as webhook URL. Then we filled the form to capture this data here. Then we connected 360 dialog application in this action window to send message on the WhatsApp. We selected the template required to send the message, filled the required body fields and the variables of our message. And when I click here on save and send test request, this message is received here. Okay. Now click on save here. And let me tell you one more important thing. So the workflow is completed here, and you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks with every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for your working, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.